Have you ever opened a glossy magazine or scrolled through one of those fancy home decor photos online and thought to yourself, goodness, that looks lovely, but it must cost a fortune? Well, my friends, what if I told you that you can bring that same touch of elegance into your own home without breaking the bank, without lifting anything too heavy, and without needing an army of tools? Yes, you can. And the secret? Dollar Tree. Today, we're counting down 15 senior-friendly DIY luxury home decor dupes, little treasures that will turn your home into a space of beauty, comfort, and pride. All light on the body, gentle on the budget, and easy enough to do with a smile. Hello and welcome, dear friends, to the Golden Years Lifestyle Hub. I'm so glad you've chosen to spend this time with me. You could be doing anything right now, reading, napping, tending your flowers, but you're here and I'm grateful. You're about to discover simple and beautiful ideas that make your home look like it belongs in one of those elegant catalogs. And the best part? These are Dollar Tree finds, my friends. Affordable, fun, and designed with you in mind. Whether you've been crafting for years or this is your very first try, every project we'll explore today is gentle on your energy but big on joy. I'll tell you this, the very first idea in our countdown might just become your favorite. It's clever, it's easy, and let's just say your neighbors may raise an eyebrow when they see it and wonder when you suddenly hired an interior decorator. I kid you not. So stay with me until the end, because each step is another spark of inspiration for your home. And before we dive in, let's keep our little community growing. If you enjoy this video, give it a like, leave me a kind comment, and of course don't forget to subscribe. That way YouTube can share these ideas with other senior friends who would love them just as much as you do. Alright, let's get started. The first decor dupe on our list is one you're going to love. Number 15, the elegant faux marble tray. Now don't let the word marble scare you, I promise you won't be carrying around anything heavy here. All you need is a simple Dollar Tree frame and a roll of marble look contact paper. Place that glossy paper inside the frame. Smooth it out with your hand, almost like brushing the wrinkles from a tablecloth, and suddenly you've got yourself a tray that looks like it walked straight out of a luxury home store. Here's a little extra touch, add a pair of lightweight handles to the sides. You can use drawer pulls or even sturdy ribbon. And just like that, you have a beautiful vanity tray for your perfume bottles or a chic coffee table piece for your living room. My friend Clara actually uses hers to hold her tea set, and let me tell you, whenever company comes over, they think she bought it at one of those high-end shops downtown. The best part? It's feather light, no straining your back or wrists, and remember, dear friends, if you're enjoying this countdown so far, give this video a quick like. It's a simple way to help our senior community grow, and it lets YouTube know to share these cozy ideas with others. Now let's move on to the next gem. Number 14, Dollar Tree mirror wall sconces. Oh, this one is a showstopper. Picture this, you take mirrored tiles from Dollar Tree, glue them onto a foam board and then add a little battery-operated candle in front. Suddenly, you've created soft, glowing light that feels like the kind you see in those hotel rooms where everything seems calm and welcoming. No need for real flames here. Those battery candles are safe, easy, and they even flicker like the real thing. Place them on either side of a hallway mirror or above a side table and you've got instant charm. My neighbor Jack did this in his den, and now every time someone visits they ask, "When did you get sconces put in?" He just chuckles and points to Dollar Tree. It's simple, safe, and oh so luxurious. Number 13, velvet pillow covers. Now here's one that will make your living room or bedroom look like a designer showroom but without the price tag. All you need are those soft velvet scarves or fabric pieces from Dollar Tree, and a bit of hot glue. No sewing, no fuss. Just fold the fabric around your pillow insert like you're wrapping a gift, secure it with hot glue, and voila, you've got a velvet pillow that looks like it belongs in one of those glossy catalogs. And here's the funny part. No one has to know these pillows didn't come from an expensive boutique, unless of course you decide to brag about how clever you are. I won't tell if you don't. Wink, my friend Margaret keeps hers on her porch swing, and honestly her neighbors ask her every single week, "Where did you buy those?" She just smiles and says, "Oh, you know, a little place I shop." Number 12, gold leaf flower pots. Ah, now this one's for the plant lovers. Take a simple terracotta pot, dab a little metallic gold paint onto a sponge, and gently press it against the pot. You don't need to cover it all, just let it shimmer in patches. like sunlight dancing across the surface. Suddenly, your humble pot looks like something straight out of an art gallery. And the beauty of it, you don't have to be perfect. In fact, a little unevenness makes it even more charming. Plants, after all, don't mind a touch of character. My friend Harold did this with his herbs, parsley, basil, a bit of mint, and now when he serves tea he sets the golden pots right on the table. His guests are always so impressed they forget about the tea entirely. Number 11. Chic rope basket. Oh, this one is both clever and practical. Start with a simple Dollar Tree laundry basket, the kind you'd never normally show off, and wrap it all the way around with nautical rope. Just a little hot glue here and there to keep it in place, and suddenly you've transformed it into a beautiful rope basket that looks straight out of a seaside boutique. It's perfect for tossing in your cozy throws, keeping your yarn tidy if you like to knit, or even stacking a few favorite magazines right beside your armchair. Here's a helpful tip. Apply your hot glue in small sections at a time. That way you won't be standing too long or rushing to finish before the glue cools. Take it nice and easy, like sipping a cup of tea as you go. My cousin Ruth made one for her living room, and now she swears it's the most complimented item in her entire house. Imagine that from a laundry basket. Number 10. Faux crystal candle holders. Now here's where we add a little sparkle. You take simple glass candle holders from Dollar Tree, stack them together with clear glue, and add a few faux gems. And just like magic, you have candle holders that glisten and shine like crystal. The best part? They're lightweight and completely safe, none of that heavy lifting or worrying about expensive breakables. Place them on your dining table for a dinner party, or on your mantle to catch the evening light. I remember visiting my friend Evelyn, who had these on her side table. When the sun hit them in the late afternoon, the whole room lit up with little sparkles. It looked like she had a chandelier, but all it really was a few Dollar Tree treasures stacked with care. Number 9. Framed botanical wall art. This one, my friends, is like bringing the garden right into your living room. All you need are a few Dollar Tree frames and some pressed faux leaves or flowers. Slip them neatly behind the glass, and suddenly you've created artwork that feels fresh, calming, and timeless. The beauty of this project is that it doesn't have to be perfect. In fact, I encourage you to embrace the little quirks. Even if your hands shake a bit while arranging the leaves, each frame will come out one of a kind, just like nature itself. My neighbor Edith filled her hallway with 6 of these frames, all with different greenery, and now walking through her home feels like strolling in a little indoor garden. Every guest who visits tells her this looks like something from a fancy gallery, and she just laughs, saying, "Oh, it's just a little Dollar Tree magic." Number 8. Elegant tiered tray. Now this one is both handy and gorgeous. Take a couple of pretty plates from Dollar Tree, glue them together with a glass candle holder in between, and you've made yourself an elegant tiered tray. It's perfect for holding jewelry on your dresser, a few candles on your coffee table, or even snacks when your grandchildren come over. But here's a gentle warning: you might find yourself making more than one. They're that useful. I know someone, my friend Martin, who ended up with 3 of these in his house. One for cookies, one for his wife's perfume bottles, and one just for decoration. He says visitors always ask which shop he bought them from, and he gets such a kick out of replying, "Oh, Dollar Tree." Number 7. DIY faux fur ottoman. Now this one feels like pure luxury under your feet. All you need is a simple storage cube and a piece of soft faux fur fabric from Dollar Tree. Just drape that fabric over the top, secure it with a little glue or pins, and suddenly you've created an ottoman that looks like it came from one of those fancy home stores. It's not only stylish, it's useful too. The cube doubles as storage, so you can tuck away your knitting supplies, crossword puzzles, or even that extra pair of cozy slippers you don't want anyone to see. And here's the bonus: it's soft, it's lightweight, and it's easy to move around. You can slide it over for a guest to rest their feet, or pull it close when you want to prop up and relax. My neighbor Susan keeps hers by the fireplace, and every winter her cat claims it as his royal throne. Honestly, I think he enjoys it more than she does. Number 6. Metallic wall charger art. Oh, this one will make your walls sing. Take those simple charger plates from Dollar Tree, you know, the ones meant for dining, and give them a coat of metallic spray paint in gold or silver. Once they're dry, hang them up on the wall in a pattern, and suddenly you've got yourself an affordable gallery wall that looks modern and chic. It's amazing how a few plates can turn a plain wall into a statement piece. And don't worry, they're light as a feather, so no heavy lifting required. My friend George arranged his in a sunburst design above his couch, and now every time guests come over, they ask him what gallery he bought them from. He just smiles and says, "Dollar Tree." You should see the look on their faces, it's priceless. Number 5. Dollar Tree Vase Glow Up. Sometimes, it's the smallest touches that change the whole feel of a room. Take a plain tall vase from Dollar Tree, wrap it gently with twine for a rustic charm, or metallic tape for a modern shine, and watch how it transforms before your eyes. Once it's dressed up, fill it with faux pampas grass, a bundle of dried lavender, or even silk flowers, and suddenly that little vase has a big personality. It's amazing how one small vase can lift an entire room. Place it on a dining table by the entryway, or even in the bathroom for a touch of elegance. My Aunt Judy did this with just 2 vases on her mantel, and now every time her bridge group comes over, they swear she hired a decorator. Nope, it was just a little Dollar Tree magic and some creativity. Number 4. Beaded Chandelier. Now this one is a true showstopper. You'll need a simple wire basket, some pearl beads, and a battery-operated LED light. Hang the beads so they drape softly around the basket, add your light inside, and suddenly you've created a chandelier that sparkles with charm, without ever calling an electrician. It adds such a touch of luxury, yet it's lightweight and completely safe. Imagine it hanging in a cozy corner above your reading chair, or over a small dining table for an evening meal. My friend Carol made one for her porch, and when the light flickers through those pearls at night, it looks like something straight out of a fairy tale. Honestly, her neighbors are still talking about it. Number 3. Faux marble coasters. Here's a little project that's as practical as it is pretty. Start with simple ceramic tiles from Dollar Tree, cover the tops with marble-look contact paper, and then add a piece of felt underneath to protect your table. Just like that, you've got coasters that look like they belong in one of those high-end home shops. They're perfect for tea time, for coffee mornings, or even just to set under a vase of fresh flowers. And the beauty is, they wipe clean so easily. My friend Harold keeps a set in his sunroom, and every time we sit down for iced tea, he proudly sets the glasses on his marble coasters. I always tease him, Harold. One day someone's going to mistake those for real marble and try to take them home. Number 2. Glam Jewelry Organizer. Now here's one that makes everyday life feel special. Take a Dollar Tree picture frame, remove the glass, and stretch lace or mesh across the inside. Add a few tiny hooks, and suddenly you've got a jewelry organizer that looks glamorous enough to hang on display. It keeps all your favorite earrings, necklaces, and bracelets tidy and easy to find. No more digging through boxes or untangling chains. And it's pretty enough to double as wall art. My niece hung hers right beside her vanity table, and now when she gets dressed, she says it feels like shopping in a boutique. Honestly, even her husband commented on how nice it looked, and you know that's saying something. Number 1. The Showstopper Designer Style Wall Mirror. Now dear friends, I've saved the very best for last. This is the project that wows every single guest who walks through the door, and yet it's senior friendly. I promise. All you need are a handful of Dollar Tree mirrors. Arrange them together in a geometric pattern, maybe a square, a diamond, or even a sunburst, and secure them side by side. The end result? A dazzling wall mirror that looks like it came straight from a designer showroom, the kind you'd expect to cost over $200, but this one? You can create it for under $15. Light to hang, simple to piece together, and every time you walk past you'll feel that little spark of pride. My friend Dorothy has one in her hallway, and she says even the postman paused once to admire it. Imagine that, the postman. So there you have it, 15 Dollar Tree luxury home decor dupes that prove beauty doesn't have to be expensive, heavy, or complicated. Each one is light on effort, gentle on the budget, and overflowing with charm. Let's take a gentle look back, my friends. We began with simple touches, like that elegant faux marble tray and those soft velvet pillows. Then we moved through charming baskets, pretty tiered trays, and glowing wall sconces, and we wrapped it all up with sparkling candle holders and lovely framed botanical art. Each one showed us that luxury doesn't have to be heavy, expensive, or difficult. It can be light, joyful, and perfectly within reach. Now I'd love to hear from you. Which of these ideas will you try first? Tell us in the comments below, because when we share we inspire one another. And if you enjoyed today's video, Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. It helps our little community grow, and it means more seniors can find joy in creating too. And so, dear friends, as we close, I want you to remember this: your golden years are the perfect time to shape a home you truly love. A space that feels warm, elegant, and uniquely yours. You don't need to chase perfection. All you need is a sprinkle of creativity, a bit of patience, and the joy of making something beautiful with your own hands. Until next time, keep shining, keep creating, and always remember you are capable of bringing beauty into every corner of your life.